came out of my cage.
You came out of your cage? What's your name?
Jeff.
From?
From Jeff and Callie Swan.
Callie and Jordan Squad.
And I just came out of my cage.
Yes, you came out of your cage. All right, what are we doing today?
Samoa Joe.
We're doing... Let's take a look at the front. So we're doing a Series 56. Not sure if you can see that there. Series 56. 8+ Samoa Joe. So it's a WWE Elite Collection. It's a WWE Elite Collection. All right, let's take a look at the back. There's a picture of Samoa Joe with his towel. Looks like he comes with a towel and a t-shirt. All right. What are the other characters that you can get in this set?
AJ Styles.
AJ Styles. Who else?
Jack Swagger.
Jack Swagger. No. You can get Roman Reigns, Gentlemen Jack Gallagher,
AJ Styles.
AJ Styles, Samoa Joe, Luke Gallows, and Karl Anderson. All right, which ones do we have? We have Roman Reigns, Gentlemen Jack Gallagher, and AJ Styles. So now, after we get Samoa Joe, all we have to do is get Luke Gallows and Karl Anderson to finish the set. All right, why don't you open that up? And let's see what Samoa Joe looks like. Is there a piece of tape there? And of course, who forgot scissors? I forgot scissors.
Don't worry, I can find out the sample on you.
I'm surprised that you don't have your, what is it, your sword. Oh. You always have a trusty pair of scissors at your desk. All right. Let's not beat it with the Louisville Slugger, okay?
Get it. This is a clip. Get it.
What's he doing, guys? He's using the baseball bat. He's using a good old Louisville Slugger. I think it's already. Oh, yeah, you have one more. There we go. All right.
Yeah.
The hardest unboxing ever.
No.
All right, let's take a look at Samoa Joe. All right, go pick that up. Okay, let's not throw things around. All right,
Oh my God.
so I'll start off. There's the picture
We have a problem.
of Samoa Joe. What? That's not a big deal.
What is that?
Samoa Joe. All right. So the first thing you got out was the towel that goes around his neck. When he comes out, he comes boom, 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 boom. And he has a towel over the back of his neck. All right. That's okay. Can you give it to me? All right. The next thing. It's like a t-shirt, and it says Samoa Joe. What does it say? The Invincible Samoa Joe, I guess. It's really small. All right, so there it is, Samoa Joe. All right, he's being very rough, wasn't he? And here comes the man that we've come to see, and that is Samoa Joe. So there is Samoa Joe. He comes with Some facial hair on his chin. Short brown hair. White wrist guards. Green and black pants. Some black wrestling boots. Actually, they're not even pants. They're shorts. And then the socks come up, and then the wrestling boots. All right, so there's Samoa Joe. So, Jordan, why don't you put the towel around his neck? All right, so there is Samoa Joe. So we need 2 more to complete the collection. We're going to need Luke Gallows and Karl Anderson. They're a tag team, so we'll keep an eye out for those. And then we can finish off series number 56. You putting the shirt on? All right. So here is Samoa Joe in his Samoa Joe shirt. How's the shirt coming?
It's pretty hard to...
I see.
Because his body's so big.
All right. There's the man, the myth. There is Samoa Joe. All right. So, Jordan, what would you give this review? What would you rate this figure, Jordan?
A 6.
A 6 out of 10. Why a 6?
Because.
Why would you give him a 6?
Because of the salt. Look.
What's that?
Look at the salt.
The shirt's pretty cool. I actually like the shirt.
But it doesn't fit him.
It does fit him. I got it on. All right, I'm going to give this 9 out of 10. I'd say that this is a pretty cool figure. Samoa Joe is one of the baddest men on the planets.
No, I thought one of the okay.
All right. So remember to subscribe to the Callie and Jordan Squad. Comment down below whether you like this figure of Samoa Joe. Hit that notification bell. Smash that thumbs up button. And until next time.
Bye.